so much to study for.
Here's your test.
Mrs. Karaja, I have practice in 5 minutes.
Okay, just go. You'll make it up later. Okay.
I don't need it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't need it. Man, coach is gonna be mad at me. I need to run to practice. Mommy, better run fast. Coach!
What's up? What happened? You good? What happened? You need water? Oh, snap. I think you're dehydrated. When was the last time you drank water?
I don't know.
Oh, man. Alright, let's go. Let's go back inside. Manar, do you have water? Oh, do you have water? Oh,
Yeah,
thanks.
here you go.
She almost passed out earlier.
Oh my god, you have to stay hydrated.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, here you go.
When was the last time you drank water?
I don't need water. I'm an athlete.
Do you know why you need water?
No, why?
Well, water has a large heat capacity which helps limit changes in the body temperature in a warm or cold environment.
Really? How does that work?
Well, Coach Jamere has a video on water in the body. Coach Jamere, come here.
Yeah, what's up?
Can you show her the video on water in the body?
Oh, the video? Alright, here it is. Let me bring it up real quick.
Now your body is made up of 60, sometimes up to 75% water. And anyone ever know how much water that actually adds up to? For the average 160-pound female, that's how much water you are. And of course it depends on how much muscle mass you have, etc. That's quite a bit. And water is the fuel that your body absolutely needs. And we're talking about water, not soda, not coffee. When you drink water, it goes down your digestive tract, it gets absorbed in your small intestines. And then, that's 50% water. And what you're seeing, those green pellets, those are nutrients. The water helps pull that through your bloodstream to your kidneys. Now, what your kidneys do is it takes unfiltered blood and it filters out waste and then returns filtered blood to your body. And believe it or not, this is what's amazing. In this kidney, there are these little micro filters. And we have over 1 million of these tiny filters called nephrons. And they work overtime if you're dehydrated. If sometimes kidney stones are caused by buildup of calcium, and believe it or not, one of the things that we recommend to people with kidney stones is to drink plenty of water because it helps flush things through. It prevents those crystals from forming. And it's important when it comes to
muscles and your joints. Water is really important for building muscles and maintaining the protectiveness of your joints. Water is the main component in muscles, and did you know that water makes up 75% of your muscles? 75%, that's huge. So when you're working out, that's one reason why you have to hydrate yourself really well when you're working out, because even if you drop it a little bit, it can decrease your productivity for the muscles by 15%.
Because the moment you get dehydrated just a little bit, your strength just is zapped.
It goes down.
It really is.
But the other thing that's made up of water is bones. Your bones are made up of 20% of water, a little bit more than that. But the other thing is the water also keeps the joints lubricated so that they can move, and it cushions and protects them as well.
And if you feel, this is actually very heavy, and your brain actually contains about 1 liter of water, and that's about how much water is shown right here. I'm going to soak this up with a sponge. If your brain is dehydrated, stress hormones are released, and that actually can actually damage your brain over time. That's why you really want to keep your brain hydrated. It's really important. If you start to get dehydrated, your brain actually won't work as well.
If
You
Don't
understand
the function
of water,
in the body.
listen to the
Dehydration affects the body in many ways. For example, fatigue, muscle weakness, poor concentration, headaches, dizziness, and lightheadedness. Human body is around 55% to 78% water, depending on age, gender, and body fat. You lose water routinely when your body performs normal functions like breathing and sweating. So you need to consume a lot of water to replace the water loss.
That's how much water you are.
Dehydration happens when the amount of water leaving your body is greater than the amount being taken in. This is how dehydration affects the human body.
It moistures skin and helps you keep the texture and appearance, and carries nutrients and oxygens to cells.
Water is needed for most body functions, including to
Maintain health and integrity for every cell in the body.
Regulates body temperature through sweating.
Eliminate the byproducts or the body's metabolism, excess electrolytes. Examples, sodium and potassium.
And water is the fuel.
Moistens mucous membranes such as lungs and mouth.
reduce the risk of ascites by keeping the bladder clear of bacteria.
Keep the blood pressure liquid enough to flow through the blood vessels.
Aid digestion and prevent constipation.
Lubricate and cushion joints.
Serve as a shock absorber inside the eyes, spinal cord, and in the amniotic sac surrounding the fetus in pregnancy.
What's the
Function of water.
In the body.
I don't need water. I'm a